Hi everyone, this is Nest Signature. So today I'll be teaching you how to make this beautiful flare sleeve that is trending. If this is something you are interested in making, please stay to the end of the video. Do not skip any part because I'm going to take you step by step on how to make this beautiful trending sleeve. I want to say thank you to my old subscribers. Thank you for sticking by. If you are new to my channel or you have been watching my video and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to click on the subscribe button and turn off the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. And also, please do well to drop your comment in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with others so that they can also learn about this beautiful sleeve. If you check the sleeve very well, you will see that the sleeve have three segments. It has the basic sleeve, it has a full flare, and it also has a pleat or gather at the end. So I will go ahead and draft the basic sleeve. So if you check the picture, you see that the sleeve started at the shoulder, the basic sleeve started at the shoulder and ended something like 3 inches away, 3 inches away from the elbow. So let us just use 7 inches. So you go ahead and mark out the width of your sleeve, add your armhole slope and also for the arm circumference. When you check the sleeve of the dress, you see that the sleeve is not tight at the basic sleeve. It is not tight. So ensure that you add those allowances when making the sleeve circumference. So you go ahead, after marking this out, you go ahead and cut out your basic sleeve like so. After cutting, this is how it looks like. So you cut exact after adding your allowance. Like I told you, it's not tight at the basic sleeve. So this is where you attach the flare. So you go ahead and measure this arm circumference. So mine is 5.5. So I'll go ahead and use that 5.5 inches to cut my full flare. To cut the flare, you are going to fold your fabric into two. Remember, I'm only cutting just one sleeve. So if it is the two sleeves you are cutting, you're going to fold the fabric into four. So I folded my fabric into two like so. One thing you should remember is that when you measure your client's full sleeve, maybe if it is 22 or 23, you go ahead and minus the 7 inches from the 23. You know the basic sleeve is 7 inches long, so you can make it even 6 inches. So you minus the 7 inches from it. So I'm going to use a freehand method here. So after measuring your sleeve circumference, that's the arm circumference, this is 5 inches, 5.5 inches. That's what we measured the other time. It all depends on your client. So for mine, it's 5.5 inch. So I'll go ahead and use the 5.5 inch to just make a semi arc here, like so, like I did in the video. So after doing this semi arc, I took note of the length, so of where I took the semi arc. So I found out it is 3.5 inches. So I'm going to take that 3.5 inches all the way round, like so. I'm going to take it all round. So the 3.5 inches, that's what I'm going to take all around. Then I will connect it. It fits perfectly for the sleeve, the basic sleeve that we have cut. The next thing we are going to do, we are going to minus the 7 inch, the 7 inch from the basic sleeve. We took 7 inch for the length of the basic sleeve. We will minus the 7 inch, that's the length of the basic sleeve, from the flare. So I'll put 7 at that point where we'll mark 3.5 inches. So then I will take the remaining part of the sleeve, removing like 1 inch. Okay, so I'll go ahead and put the 7 there, and then I'll take the measurement all through. So ensure you minus the basic sleeve length out of it. So place the 7 at that particular portion where you mark this 3.5 inches. So go ahead and take the length of your sleeve. So if it is 22, just go ahead and mark the 22 like so. So can you see? So that's what I'm going to do all through. So I'm through marking it out. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut the sleeve. After cutting, this is how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and spread it out like so. So I will attach this to the basic sleeve. So you can see that it fits perfectly on it. So go ahead and sew it. That's what I'm going to do. Then I'll show you how it looks like after sewing. Ensure it fits perfectly. That's why I said you should take the measurement very well. Sorry for the background noise. Okay, so go ahead and sew it. So after sewing it, this is how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. So the next thing, like I said, there's a pleat at the edge of the flare. We are going to measure 2-inch cut out pieces, 2-inch um, length. So you are just going to join pieces. The wideness of the pieces should be 2 inches or more. It's just your desired length that you use for the gather. So go ahead and cut out the piece. So after cutting out the piece, the next thing you're going to do is to plait it around the edges of the flare. So you plait it out. Ensure maybe one fabric might not be enough. You can join fabrics together, join the pieces together so that it will be enough for you to pleat around the flare. So after pleating it around the flare like so, you first of all spread it, then you pleat it like so, like I've shown you in the video. So you pleat it or you gather it, whichever way you want to do it. So go ahead and do that. So after gathering it all around or pleating it all around the edges of the flare, you can go ahead and join your sleeve, and your beautiful full flare sleeve is ready. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you got value. See you in our next tutorial. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please go and click on the subscribe button. Some of you have not turn on your notification bell. Do well to turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post new video. See you in our next tutorial. Bye.